Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your age on TikTok. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, the problem that you guys might be facing is that when you signed up, you accidentally sent your age to 13 or under, and now your account is restricted to kids content. So let's get right into this and fix this problem. Alright, so head over to TikTok. Click onto your profile. Click onto the hamburger looking icon, top right hand corner of your screen. Click onto settings and privacy. And once you're inside settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and you'll find under support and about, report a problem. Click onto report a problem. Wait for this to load. And then on this page here under topics, click on account and profile. And where it says editing profile, click onto that and scroll down a bit and then click on other. Wait for this page to load up and then scroll the way down and go click on no. Is your problem resolved? No. And then click on need more help and then simply type in here what your problem is. So I'll quickly do that right now. Alright, type in something similar to this. Just obviously change your age and whatever, and then once that is done, click on submit. And once you've clicked on submit, give TikTok up to 48 hours, 48 hours for them to respond and help you with your problem. So yeah, that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.